Good morning, second grade. We are going to go over what you are doing for math today. So we'll talk about this in Zoom as well, but so this is for you just to make sure you're completing everything on our checklist, okay? So the first thing you should do is watch this welcome video. So if you're doing that and you're hearing me talk right now, good job, you've done number 1. Number 2, you are going to watch the lesson 9 video, grade 1 math, 6.8, problem solving, show numbers in different ways. And that is right here. So all of my videos will be in order for you to watch. So this is our first video. So you are going to watch this, and if it doesn't work, you can click right here. Okay. Then you are going to watch Mrs. Sanderson's math lesson for guided Go Math worksheets. So while you are watching that video or before you watch it, you need to go and grab your Go Math workbook, volume 1, okay? And you will turn to page 49. You'll do 49 and 50 with Mrs. Sanderson, and then after you're done with that video, you'll do pages 51 and 52 by yourself, okay? So this video right here is our guided Go Math video. It is 13 minutes long, okay? So you need to make sure that you watch all of it to make sure you hear our lesson. And then you can also click here if the video is not working, okay? And then you are going to head to Seesaw. So I have, after all of the videos, so once you have watched all of these, I have links to each one. So our first one, Go Math Worksheet Upload. So we'll give it just a second to load. Okay, so for your first assignment, you are just going to take pictures of pages 49 through 52 in your Go Math workbook, and you are going to upload them. So you'll press Add Response. You should have 4 pictures, okay, 1 for each page. So 4 pictures. Make sure that you hold your camera clearly and take a good picture of your paper so that I can read it, right? Because we don't want to take pictures at this angle or like this, because that's really hard to read, right? So we want to make sure that it's flat, we can see it. Okay, let's take a look at our next assignment. Our next assignment is Math Wednesday 9:16. So I'm going to scroll down, Math Wednesday, click on my link. Let's let it load. Complete the review pages and click the green button to submit. So this one is talking about groups of 10. So we have 1 10 stick equals 10 ones. So if we have 10 10 sticks, that would equal 100 ones. Okay, so you're going to write how many 10s. You'll circle groups of 10, so 10 10s, and then you'll write how many hundreds. So let's take a look really quick. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can circle this whole group, and then I know that I have 1 set of hundreds. Okay? There are 3 pages. You need to make sure that you're doing every single page. Always click these arrows when you see them. Okay? Our last assignment goes along with this video, and it is called Lesson 9 Worksheets. So I'm going to click on the link, and then you are going to complete these worksheets. So you will fill in this box right here. They've given you the answers, so just kind of trace them on, and then you'll do number 1. We always click the arrow, and then you are going to do page 2. Okay, so make sure that you're checking all of the pages, and see right up here it tells you how many pages you have to do. So this says 1 out of 2, so we know there are 2 pages. Okay, when you're done with your Seesaw assignments, you are going to head to Dreambox for 20 minutes. I want you guys to try and have 4 lessons done by today. Okay,